Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung refrigerator French door spring sleeve. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new French door spring sleeve. The French door spring sleeve mounts on the French door spring. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the spring is loose. In order to change the part, we have to open up the left door. Once you have the door open, we're going to flip the French door open. Once you have it open, you have access to the French door spring sleeve. It's mounted on the upper arm of the spring. So we're just going to carefully flex the spring down and pull it out along with the sleeve. Once you have it out, you can lift the sleeve off the spring and then pull it off the refrigerator. Here's the old French door spring sleeve next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new French door spring sleeve on, all you have to do is line it up with the spring and set it down onto it. Once you have it in place, we're going to flex the spring and get it to go up into the mounting holes. Once you have it in place, you can close the French door and then the refrigerator door. Once you have the door closed, you can plug it back in and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.